GME's not moving. That's your best indication. GME flat and everything else going up. I love it. Holy shit, take a look at plug. It won't stop.
All right, stream is live.
Remember when we were killing
Under the fucking zero.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You're in the wrong channel, bud.
Whoa there.
I got bids set at 1 penny for SPY.
What is who is that? No.
This guy.
You have to be wearing your Send It to Zero hoodie in order to say that. You know the market's green when Nikola just hit high a day. Most
Dude,
dog
this
shit
thing
company on the entire stock market.
Remember when they were worth more than Ford?
Yeah, really.
Halsey drops and never
Ford.
say die drop.
Ford, who made all of our tanks in World War II. Here's a company that doesn't even have a fucking factory, and they're worth more than Ford.
Seriously, how stupid the world is right now.
Wow, the put to call ratio went from 1 point something to 0.887. Nice.
Was anyone like surprised?
No.
What, by the pump?
This is crazy
Yeah,
right now.
because J Pow said anything bearish ever during his term.
Only when they ask him stupid questions.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Fuck, look at the hourly on Apple. Wow.
Facebook hit my 300 target yet.
Look at Roku.
287 coming up on Facebook. I gave you guys 282, 287, 300. 282 is already smashed.
Spotify's climbing. Spotify can get to 90 again.
Walmart getting some flow.
Oh shit. Tesla's back at 700, baby.
Powerful, man.
I posted Amazon in the analysis yesterday. Jay, check the levels out there. Same levels that I've had for a few weeks. Mainly like the 3300 zone for the most part. PLTR red to green. Red to fucking green. Where's Chip at? Somebody send him a message.
So we're just gonna go SPY 400 in power hour here?
Probably.
Yeah, my PLTR calls are recovering.
Thank God.
Just
Bro,
had to
Roku's-
believe, guys. You guys thought I
Roku's
was gonna
fucking
wait for
ripping.
180 days just to lose this trade? You out of your fucking mind.
Yo, Jamie, are you in chat or a voice?
He's not. I can drag him in.
Does anyone know what the April calls that he's in are?
He's probably on his phone. He's probably not even on his
I don't
computer.
think is he in April? So I only saw May. He's in TQQQ for April.
Which is basically the same. He's trading leveraged options for Qs.
Yeah. And then he has Qs for May 21st and June 18th.
Green on-
330, 335.
Green on every single position today except for that dog shit FMAC.
Thanks, Vicky.
Yo, SPY 390. SPY 398. We're about to have it, boys. We're gonna have it. I told you guys we're gonna see SPY 400.
You know what the sign was that today was going to be really bullish? What did I say this morning? I said the
What's
only
that?
green position on my entire portfolio is silver. Like you
All right.
knew something was up.
Nah. You wanna know why silver was up? Because the fucking full moon, man. I tried to tell you, man. Fucking wolves is out, man.
You're
We
not
out.
telling me, man. I got a fucking moon calendar behind my monitor. Not really, but I should probably buy one off Amazon.
Get my girlfriend to do some fucking tarot card readings
Yeah,
tonight.
exactly.
You got to smoke so much weed before that.
Yeah, fucking 20 candles lit.
You should get the Bitcoin astrology witch to do some tarot readings.
Is that a real thing?
She has
Yeah.
like daily astrology for all the cryptos and stuff.
Talking about the witch.
Yeah, I haven't kept up with how her predictions are doing, but she talks about like
She's
morning.
She's probably
cycle.
literally never right, but it doesn't matter.
She got in on that like waifu thing, like NFT thing, and I think they made loot on it.
Yeah, it's not about her being right. It's the friends you make along the way.
There you go.
Is anyone going to be in Miami?
Like when?
Negative.
I think I'm going to be there 23rd to 31st.
I'm supposed to
can't
like
leave the
probably
country.
move there, but I need to get a realtor or like fly out there and find somewhere to live.
Sticky's
but
like, I
don't
can't
wanna
actually
go
leave my
anywhere.
fucking house.
Yeah.
You guys go have fun. It's like the Squidward meme.
I stepped away for fucking 30 minutes. What just happened?
JP, dude.
Go away, dude. Don't come
Straight
back.
up, bro.
Fucking
Come back at the
JP.
end of the day. This isn't safe.
Dude, Nifty added two-factor authentication, so whenever you log into any account, it makes you fucking put in a code, and now I have to rebuild my entire system.
It's pretty annoying.
I don't even have 2FA on my account. Do they force you to have
Yeah,
it?
you do now.
Did you hit the Royland stuff?
They haven't closed the drawings yet. Like they're closed, like you can't enter them, but they haven't actually drawn the winners yet. But right now I have to go through and turn on 2FA on all my accounts, and I have to have my developer build something that goes through my email to grab the codes.
I bought one of those open editions for like $1,600 because fucking it only sold like 100 and something. Like they were the limited edition one was like 1,100 and 11 whatever, you know. So this
And
one's
everyone likes Rick and Morty, dude. So I think like over time this stuff.
That's what I think. That's what I think. All the G's in fucking like Nifty Gateway Discord like G channel that I'm in, and I don't know why. Like we're all buying it. Like they were like, oh, we need to get that shit.
What channel?
There's like some like special like Nifty Gateway channel
Called G's?
Nah, but it's just like
I was like, what? Bro, you're a VIP. Bro.
I don't know why they let me in. Honestly, it's not like I've even. I mean, like I spent like maybe like 12, 13 grand or something. Like nothing insane, you know.
I'm gonna try to snipe the night mode.
Sticky,
like
did you
how you casually say 12, 13
you-
grand like it's nothing?
did you get in on the bracket?
No, I'm out on the bracket.
Bro, I left my car on again.
First place is almost at $1,000 already.
Yeah, but you'll end up winning, and you know, you win every fucking
it's
event
true.
we
I
run.
have been doing very. It's like
Yo, look at these big stocks, dude. Look at Riot SOS.
it's like it's rigged.
SOS went from 6 something today to 790. What?
Did you take that Riot play?
Everything. What?
Did you roll up your Riot thing you were talking about?
I didn't, dude. Fuck. I was actually gonna buy like 10,000 shares of SOS and just sell the $8. But then I saw the premium and it was like 50. It was like 30 cents or something. And I was like, I don't want that.
Well, I guess I'm officially a pattern day trader.
You should be fine. You're over 25K.
I'm at 60, man. I'm 66.
Yeah, you can day trade as much as you want.
Oh yeah. I'm loving it. Gonna make back that million.
One day at a time.
I lost my right to day trade during the chop. They've punished me for my insolence.
They punish me too, buddy. I know. I've been there. We've all been there. Gotta say, I'm loving Plug. Plug looks great from where I took it.
CCJ is getting a lot of call flow.
Is that the cruises?
Uranium.
Oh, yeah. So CCL is a cruiser.
Yeah.
Caribbean. Yeah. Hey guys, thank you very much for your help. I couldn't have done this without you guys.
No problem.
Virtual hug.
Good to be here. Can't believe I'm platinum. I've been here for what, a week or so?
Yeah, you've probably had like a 1 full week.
Pretty good, right?
Not bad.
Yep, it's a record. Good job.
Nice. So all I have to do is get to diamond, and then I'm with. Let's see who's in diamond.
You've got a lot of diamond
Yeah.
people.
Yeah, Chip, Connor, and the other ones I don't know.
All the purple names.
Oh, what am I?
I don't
Oh,
think Deja should be here. I think Deja made a
Punk-
mistake.
Punklandia.
yeah.
Todarova.
Chip, you
Todalecha.
posted some pretty big screenshots back when you first joined.
Go back when things were good.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's Todaracha.
Toda rabba. Todalecha is thank you. Like I thank you.
Are you Israeli?
Yeah, unfortunately.
גם אני חביבי.
Voila.
כן, נולדתי בנתניה, ואז עברנו לניו יורק.
Wow, this guy's from Natanya. It's like it's our New Jersey. Wow. So you moved from
Hey,
there?
careful.
No, I'm kidding. But you wow. So what age did you move?
When I was 6 years old.
Oh, okay. So you still speak Hebrew at home?
Yeah, and I visit like 4 times a year, at least before COVID.
You still eat over the sink?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
They
good.
even named him Jerusalem as his
Eat
last
over the
name.
sink? What is that?
That's an Israeli thing. We eat over the sink. We don't have time for like tables and shit. We go at it while we watch charts. Ah,
Hey
nice to meet
Deja,
you, dude.
What's
still
up?
a downgrading of roles.
Hold on, what's downgrading?
Like at least you don't downgrade people based on their loss.
Oh no, yeah. When we first did the ranking thing, we thought about like changing it every few months, but it's just too much work. Just figured you guys have the rank, you earned it.
So how's the ranking style work?
You don't take away soldiers' medals, you know what I mean? It's just based on gains in 1 week. So like 10%, 20%, 30, 50, and then 100. If you post a screenshot and gains of your account percentage, you don't have to show like dollars if you don't want to. But account percentage gain in 1 week.
Ah, shit. I missed out on
Yeah, I
a lot
wish
of
I'd
fun.
known when I was actually making lots of money.
Yeah, it would have been
I'll
nice.
never get there.
Nice. Okay, working on that diamond. I want to be diamond.
Does crypto count?
Yeah, anything. You could fucking post NFTs in here. I'll rank you.
Wow. I think I went 3x over the weekend.
Anything we talk about in the Discord that you guys make money on, if you've doubled an account, I'll fucking give you diamond.
Chips, nativities.
I was saying that we are OTG entrepreneurs.
Deja, I'm gonna have you rank me. I'm gonna post some Gem Mint 10 rookie cards.
There you
Have
go.
to rank me.
Yeah, Pokemon cards, fucking trading cards. We have Amazon resellers in here. We started the group as like a crypto group way back in the day. Then we did stocks and options. Now we do fucking NFTs and we sell ants and we fucking what else do
How
we?
long? How
Amazon
old is this group?
reselling.
Like how old is this group?
The Discord's like 3 years old, but in this capacity with like what we're doing now, we started in like May of last year, 2020.
Nice. So now that I'm platinum, can I fucking know what the walrus is?
Dude, I don't even know what the walrus is.
So okay, if I get the diamond, where's JMA? He's not here. If I get the diamond, will you tell me?
way.
He probably still won't tell you.
The goddamn, what do I have to do? Buy the Discord?
The moment you know what the walrus is, that's the top.
Hey,
The more
Maverick.
you want to know, the that's likely he is to tell you.
I think I'm gonna get a fancy pizza tonight. What do you think, guys?
Sounds like delicious.
Yeah, I gotta
Yeah, get some
celebrate, man.
caviar on that shit.
No, I hate caviar. By the way, have you ever had caviar? It's fucking disgusting. It's fish eggs.
There
I don't
is
get
rarely,
that.
Maverick. They were probably
I mean,
joking.
there's different caviar, but like
It's
a little bit of
disgusting.
it is good. I just, I'm good.
No,
at
I tried it. I had it. It's just like, ugh, it's like fish roe. You know, it's
I'd
Yeah,
like,
rather,
that's what it
I'd
is.
That's
rather have,
exactly what it is.
I'd rather have escargot
Fish roe
than
is delicious.
caviar.
I like
escargot is
escargot as well.
CHZ is not bad. You have a little bearish falling wedge here breaking out. It's actually pretty clean. You also have a little bull div on the momentum. You could consider this a bulldog or a giraffe. Little double bottom pop up, pull back. As long as you stay above like 53, 54, this is pretty bullish. I like this chart. There's probably some pivots around here too. Yeah, pivot around like 75, 74. You could target that pretty easily. 4 hour, same thing, around 72. No daily pivot though, so yeah, probably around 74, 75, somewhere around there, be your target. Good chart though, I like it. I'm gonna post it in the group.
What are you doing with yourself?
I've heard that some people say that shrimp is okay, and some people say it has to have scales.
no, shrimp as a whole, seafood is not okay if you're an observant Jew.
Sticky, look at that chart I just posted.
Only fish, and it needs fins and
Yeah.
scales.
I know
Fins
Chili's
and
has
scales.
pumped like 9 million% already, but it looks pretty good.
No bottom feeder.
That's not bad.
No octopus. No.
It's just like I was trading it at 2 cents.
Yeah, it's hard to
and
buy.
now it's 60.
Yeah, how do you buy it at 60? It's like me with mana. Like I can never buy mana again.
No crabs then.
Yeah, no, anything that hangs out on the bottom of the ocean, no way.
So, Caesar, let me
Crazy.
teach you about the Jewish faith, right? Like, congregationalism basically means that every, area or section of Judaism can be really however Jewish they want. But that doesn't stop the Orthodoxes from criticizing that. But can you eat shellfish? Sure. Why the fuck not? Can all Jews, according to certain beliefs? No. But I'm gonna eat fucking shellfish. I'm gonna eat meat and cheese, and I'm gonna be Jewish all day.
Well, it's kind of like being Catholic and
There's no like overarching order for Judaism,
Right.
like there is.
We don't. That's what I said the other day. Nobody really believes, so it doesn't matter. You just pick and choose.
We're all Jewish.
Yeah, we're Jewy. We're like kind of maybe, you know.
It's like Catholics and having premarital sex. Like we're not supposed to technically, but everybody does.
I saw this funny ass TikTok, and there was a kid on college campus. He was like, "It's not premarital sex if you never get married."
I saw that too.
Oh, have you guys heard of what some Mormons do?
Do I want to hear about it on stream?
Oh, we're on stream. Oh, shoot. I forgot we're on stream.
What do
My
some
bad.
Mormons do?
Called soaking.
I don't.
Yeah, I
I
don't
actually
think
don't
I
want to
wanna-
know. Now that you told me what it's called, I don't want to know. We'll bring this back tomorrow around lunchtime.
Asia backtracked real quick.
Yeah.
Can someone look at UAL on Cheddar?
I'll do it. UAL?
Yeah.
Chart's pretty clean.
Oh yeah, loads of calls. You want me to read them out to you? You got September 17th, 65 strikes. You got leaps. You got, what do you want? But loads. You got 7,359 calls today, 92% to 636, 8% on puts. Put to call ratio 0.086. Pretty fucking bullish. You want a screenshot of the actual calls?
Sure. Thank you.
No problem. Hang on.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh, did you post it, C's?
Yeah.
There, I got you.
Parking.
I,
Oh my god.
I'm posting it in chat. Oh wait, this isn't the right one. Hang on.
I've never seen it that's so bad.
You guys ever hear of the ball koozie?
Yes.
Post
That
it.
thing's-
There you go.
They must make so much fucking money.
What did you post, Johnny Jerusalem? Humongous. חנות גדולות עד השעות הקטנות. מנות גדולות עד השעות הקטנות. Nice.
It's like a burger chain.
Never saw this. Well, I haven't lived in Israel in like 20 years, dude. So I'm, yeah, I left for Paris years ago. I'm mostly French now.
Smoochie, I know you didn't mean it, but Under Armour looks really fucking good, actually. Well, not anymore, but like, imagining back, we were trading this thing at like fucking $6-8 in like May. Look at this thing now. Jesus.
That's funny. Yeah, I mean, at work we refer to them as UA. So, and their flight code is UA. It's hard to say UAL.
Yeah, UAL really looks good. How are the other ones doing?
Under Armour sold off, I think, or unless they were selling off all like the MyFitnessPal and Connected Fitness apps. So maybe they're just thinning out.
Well, Under Armour did like they missed like a whole bunch of earnings, didn't they?
What sucks about this pump on Qs is
Who
because
cares about earnings?
we just pumped, we didn't actually put in the right shoulder. So it could still sell off tomorrow or Friday.
Yeah. So it fucked with the technicals.
Yeah, it kind of fucked the pattern up.
Chip, they sold off MyFitnessPal in November for $350 million. So likely their Q4 numbers were probably good.
Damn.
Honda is tanking on bad news. They have to suspend production on in Mexico due to shortages. If anybody's in there.
Hey, Gars.
Cigars, what's good?
Fucking slow day at the office until Pal started speaking.
Yep.
Wait, so it didn't get delayed?
No, he spoke already. He's going to speak tomorrow too, I think.
Wow, really?
Dump it today and dump it tomorrow.
That's what people were saying. People were saying he speaks tomorrow too. Who fucking knows?
I thought it was today. That's why I told you. I don't think he does twice a week. What is this, talk show? That's it. At least for this week.
No. He past couple times he's been speaking 2 or 3 days in a row.
Really?
Days with Powell.
When does he have time to
100%.
work on the actual policies?
There is no such thing as an actual policy.
Through that.
The showman.
Powell says there very likely will be a step up in inflation March, April.
No shit. Really?
That's good, right?
No,
Doesn't
inflation
sound good.
going up is not good.
Doesn't sound good to me.
Wait a minute. We could just print.
Print as much money as you want, inflation goes down. Correct. You've been here before.
I'll still laugh at that video where it's like, so you just print money out of thin air? Well, we do it digitally, but yeah.
Yeah, you just click a button. Yeah.
Wow, you see this TKAT today? Shit went from like $6 to $21 steadily.
Yeah, I called that out this morning.
Can you explain to me the difference between QQQ and TQQQ?
TQQ is leveraged. So it wants to do like 2 to 3x what Q's does in
I
one
think
day.
it's triple.
Oh, okay.
Stands for
Okay. So if I wanted to giggle on Qs, I can do that on TQQQ.
Yeah.
But just be careful with those levered ones because
Yeah,
they
yeah.
only they match it for the daily.
Okay.
So if cubes goes up 20%, this thing won't go up 60%. It could go up less.
I see. Okay.
But if cubes goes up like 3% on the day, then this will 100% go 9% on the day every single time. It's 3x the daily change.
Nice.
JetBlue doesn't look bad. Who asked about it? Ashwin. All the airliners look good. Just look at Jets, the ETF for all the airliners. It's really strong. I think Jets continues to like 30, which will lead all the airlines up pretty much. Yeah, they print money from thin air by pressing buttons on a computer, basically. They don't even physically print the money anymore.
Like, what does that mean? They just like like they have a bank account that can just transfer unlimited
Pretty
money.
much, dude. He said it in an interview, man. He was like, "Do you guys still print the monies?" No, we just press buttons on a computer.
I posted the video.
I mean, do I still do math? No, I just press buttons on a computer.
That's how fucking bad it's gotten.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. And I'm not sitting
Yeah,
here.
but at least if they have to print it, you can like physically see how fucking bad it is.
I literally have to update my two-factor on 300 accounts, and this is killing me.
That sounds awful. Dude.
Airbnb just had a $1 million order come through. It's not opening, but still nice.
You want to pay me like $1,000? Send over the details. I'll do it for you.
Yeah, it's literally boring. Like I log into each account, I get a two-factor email sent to me. I go into my account, I reactivate. It's just
I'll take $50 an hour, and I'll get it done.
And the worst part, about this is, or the craziest part is, I've automated 95% of it. The only part I have to do is grab the code and put it into the thing and click activate, and that's still dreadful.
You've already automated a system to fix your automated system?
Yep.
Jesus Christ. Neo looking real good. I know me and you were talking about selling puts on it earlier. Fucking could have sold it in the morning.
Does anybody use God, something Hill Sportsbook?
William Hill.
William Hill.
Yeah, they just opened up here in Tennessee.
William Hill.
William Hill. It's kind of shit.
Just
Yeah,
for my
people
second
hate-
drink,
people
guys. Thank you for all your help, and cheers to you, L'chaim.
You getting off? See you later.
Happy Passover.
I wanted to say thank you for the
Oh, I
help.
thought you were leaving.
Just have a celebratory drink here and ordering a fat pizza. if I
Yeah,
could
it's
get
only
it.
3 o'clock here. We can't drink.
It's 12:30 here.
When is Passover?
Oh shit!
This Sunday, right?
Next.
I have no idea. I don't observe.
It's the end of the month. It's in like 10 days or something.
It's on the 27th.
Yeah, that's a week from this Sunday, I think. Yeah, I got a thing from William Hill, $2,000 bonus. Instead of, I like the ones like BetMGM who match your deposit.
Yeah, they literally deposit double into your account right away, but you can't withdraw until you bet that amount.
Yeah, and in this one it says you get 2,000, but it's literally in one bet. So it means you have to literally throw down 2,000 on one bet, and
That's what DraftKings was, and FanDuel did it too.
I would just rather have a deposit match, so that way I can bet 20 here, 50 here, 100 here, instead of trying to put it all in one big bet.
God, what a trade.
Yeah, I mean, William Hill isn't anywhere near as big as MGM is.
I'm just in awe how fucking Powell spoke and just turned us red to green in just 5 minutes.
Yeah, there's a lot of regulations coming in from like state and municipalities too, though, on businesses opening up later and stuff. Like New York just passed that they're staying open till past 11 o'clock.
By the way,
So that's a direct impact on GDP, which is really what's moving these stocks up today with that news.
New Jersey's 50% capacity now too.
didn't the federal government or state, I don't know how it works in the states, didn't they help shut businesses during the crisis? Because here, I know in Europe, they paid rent for all the businesses and they paid the salaries of the workers.
Not here.
No, we have capitalism in America.
Oh, so that's what it is. Okay.
First Majestic, what is that? What's the ticker?
AG.
AG. They're doing pretty good.
And in all honesty, we don't have like what am I thinking of? We're not like 100% capitalist. We got a lot of fucking crony capitalism.
Problem is Wu-Tang, we don't have fucking green days back to back on silver. It has a green day, red day, green day, red day. And the red days are always the red days are always fucking bigger than the green days.
You guys asking about taking UAL?
I think GLD. I think owning GLD is worse if you can even like imagine.
For sure, the thing's fucking bleeding out. You still hold it?
GLD? No, I mean, I just there's a limit to how many days you can see the underlying be down 1.6%. Lose your mind.
I took that trade. It had good news. It gapped up, and I was in like profit by like 30-40%, I think. And then it just got fucking obliterated. And it was one of my biggest losses of the year last year. Jesus. I think gold and what was it? W Day were my two biggest losses of the year. You take away those two losses, I would have doubled my profits last year.
Look at
yeah, I was in that trade with you with gold last year, and then I took it again, and
yeah,
I think I'm done.
I didn't touch that thing after that fucking loss. Never again.
You guys watching crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin?
They should be going up with all the good news.
They are mooning right now.
They respond to monetary policy.
To the general market, really.
Hey, Deja, would you check out actually MGM for me? I feel like this looks really good on.
I know Win was looking good, so MGM probably looks the same. Yeah, MGM looks pretty good. Basically, all these charts, they're going up so quickly you can't even like look at pivots or anything. You just have to look at like the trend line. And as long as it's maintaining that uptrend, it's pretty solid. Maybe some 4-hour pivots. Yeah, it's got a 4-hour pivot at 39. As long as you hold that, it should be fine.
What do you think of Penn before they
Can you look
enter
at
the S&P?
Airbnb when you get a chance?
Yeah, I'll take a look at them. Yeah, I think MGM goes higher.
The hourly has a auto squeeze indicator right now.
A buy signal. Yeah, it's flipping a 1-hour and a 4-hour pivot, which is really good. What did you say, Connor? Penn?
Yeah, what do you think of Penn before their inclusion into the S&P?
Why is that coming? Is that coming soon?
Yeah, I want to say it's the 22nd or the 26th. I think it's the 26th.
Looks pretty strong, but Tesla, when it got included, it didn't do too well. So maybe it runs before inclusion, then sells off.
Yeah, I wouldn't be shocked to see that.
Yeah. Still looks decent, though. It needs to get above like 130, 125. 125 daily pivot. That was MGMJ that I was talking about. And then who else? You said something?
Airbnb.
I like Airbnb. If it holds above like 195, 197, I think it looks pretty decent. You got like a VWAP right there, OTS trail as well. 4-hour pivot, no pivots. 1 hour pivot holding you down at like 203. So you break like 205, it should be pretty good.
Just saying, probably as long as it keeps above that like 4-hour OTS.
Yeah, the trail. Yeah.
Cool.
I think they're gonna run with the other hotels too. Like when
That's kinda what I was
MGM
thinking.
and Wynn run, they should run. Travel is opening back up too. You can look at the first real sign of it is the UFC event in Florida. They're doing a full crowd. So depending on how that goes, if they actually sell out like instantly, I would be very bullish on travel stocks.
Oh, they'll sell out in Florida for sure.
Yeah.
Instantly.
Yeah, Maverick CHZ is ridiculous. We had a lot of guys in our Discord trading it way, way lower. But they didn't hold on to it, obviously, all the way up. Why did that thing pump so hard? What was the play? Was it an NFC thing? The good news on Bitcoin was the monetary policy on the stock market. It follows the stock market, it follows monetary policy. So when the Fed talks about things that are bullish, Bitcoin goes up. GDP up, inflation down. And then you have rates unchanged. Rates unchanged help beat Bitcoin as well.
Deja.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get my historical account value to show you that I like tripled it this past weekend in crypto.
Do it. Post it.
So you're gonna be platinum?
I don't think I deserve platinum, but something.
If you
The
tripled
problem is-
if you tripled it, it's diamond.
The problem is I can't figure out on FTX how to get
Oh,
like
on FTX, go to account P&L. It'll show you the all time.
Yes,
so not wallet.
Powell mentioned movie theaters. I'm hearing something about that.
What?
AMC to the
I
moon.
see it. Thank you
apparently?
so much.
Probably said he was excited to go to the movies.
Yeah.
When they asked him what he does all day, he said he goes to AMC.
The 4-hour Bitcoin had bullish divergence right before that pump happened too.
God damn it, missed another Bitcoin entry.
Looking pretty good. Massive engulfing on the 4-hour. But it's fully green on the it's turning green across the board on my indicators. It's almost 100% green.
Hey Deja, did you look at ENF today?
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like the way it's closing.
It's like 3 days now of just steady accumulation.
Yeah, it's literally sitting on VWAP. If it had more volume, it actually doesn't have too bad volume. It's at 288 million. That's actually, yeah, it's actually pretty good. Did you see that nuke that it had in the morning? Fucking wish I would have got filled on that. Went all the way down to 0.008. It's already doubled from that. And then the AABB one you mentioned just doesn't fucking stop going up.
Well, that's the crypto mining one. That thing, honestly, I think that's going to go to multiple dollars. I really do. It doesn't have a very high cap, and I look at Mara, look at Riot, look at all of them. I think that thing could be $5 in a couple of months.
Yeah, it's up 140% from where you mentioned it.
Hey Smoochie, do you remember what the Chelsea Atletico game ended on the first game? Oh, it says right here. Never mind. Chelsea's up 1-0 on the aggregate.
And they that was in Atletico, right?
Yeah, so they have one away goal, so they could lose. They could lose 1-0 and still advance.
Or tie.
I like
Oh, yeah.
XVS crypto.
You're right.
Bouncing off a 4-hour pivot, you had a bunch of bullish divergence signals here on the Momo. Beautiful rounded bottom here. The daily is also looking pretty good. Nice little double bottom. If you get back above like 53, it looks pretty good.
Jesus, the 4-hour on Bitcoin is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's really good.
All of this because of the Fed. But it's sitting on resistance right now at 58-ish.
Grow doesn't look too bad. Lavender, you would have to hold above VWAP though, around 55. I'd like to see a gap fill around 63. The other wheat stocks were doing pretty good today.
Look at GM just grinding up.
Yeah, I saw GM on my scanner earlier. Breaking a daily pivot right now.
Good. Send that bitch.
Some calls coming in on GM. Big block trade. April 1st, 64 strike.
Yeah, I'm in 60s for April 1st, so that makes me happy.
And another one earlier, the same, in a 64 strike for the same date. A huge block one too. Let me check GM for you. Yeah, those two, but huge ones. So you're good, I think.
Yo, read this and tell me you're not bullish on Palantir, dude. I don't care if it's from CNBC.
Dude, you know the most bearish thing about Palantir, though? That fucking CEO wanted the CNBC looking like a Jerry.
Yeah.
Bro, that guy looked like an 85-year-old professor.
That guy looks like a French professor about to get Me Too'd.
Yeah, he looks like a professor for sure.
He looks like the guy they'd cast in a Back to the Future remake.
He's basically just saying he has a much longer, broader focus on PLTR.
He's saying like, shut the fuck up and just wait.
Yeah.
Very Jeff Bezos-ish.
Got like a mad scientist look.
Is anyone seen the movie Hackers?
Yeah.
Yep.
Looks like that security guy, Fisher Stevens character.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, he does, doesn't he?
I like bingo. Everything else in the market, dollars looks pretty solid. Yeah, I'd say hold above $10. Not bad. I'm guessing your buddy didn't go home with that girl.
No, she wasn't interested. That was the real top tick, Tommy. I
Oh,
was
yeah.
like, holy shit, man, we're like, how are you gonna talk about Bitcoin? It wasn't even Bitcoin. It was some shit coin.
Oh God.
If it makes you guys feel better, my girlfriend's not interested either. So
I don't talk to my girlfriend about anything trading related.
I try.
My girlfriend fucking hates that I trade.
We were watching the third Batman yesterday, and you know the scene where they like take over the stock exchange. They like fake his trades. She's like, "Can you dumb it down for me? Like, what the fuck is going on?" I was like, basically, they just took all of his money, and he made some bad bets, and he lost all of his money.
Nice.
Have you watched Trading Places with her?
No.
Explain the whole frozen concentrated orange juice thing at the end. If you haven't seen this movie, you should see it.
Sonasoft, I still like Sonasoft. My YouTube drop? Let me see. No, it's good. Okay. I'm still keeping an eye on Sonasoft. I'm not in Sonasoft, but I still like it long term. It gives me some kind of buy signal. I'll probably take it, but really low volume. You gotta wait for people to come back. The thing with penny stocks is it doesn't matter how good the chart looks. If nobody's trading it, you don't want to be trading it. You gotta wait for volume to come back on that. Zanga, let me see. Zanga's not too bad. You're holding VWAP. There's no pivots in your way. If it holds above like $10, it looks pretty decent. This company's like old and outdated though, isn't it?
Hey, Deja, check out the daily chart on UAL and then make sure you're looking all the way back to last March. There's a pivot that it just broke yesterday that, I mean, there's a lot of upside to this, right?
I'll take a look at it. Yeah, Zanga actually, the long term on Zanga doesn't look that bad. Actually, not horrible. But you would have to hold above $10. You're still black on the OTS, so the volume is still bearish. You would have to see some buyers step in here, back above 1050 maybe. Get some action up into 11. Yeah, all for all. I took a nice profit on Sonasoft and I closed it.
Deja, can you take a quick look at Plug before close for me, just to tell me what you think?
Plug, yeah, I'll come to it.
What's
Best
up, Logan,
Buy.
for what we said?
Best Buy doesn't look too bad, double bottom. This thing's been bleeding out though. This company is dying. Best Buy's going the way of GameStop and not the good way.
What?
Look at their chart, dude. Oh, sorry, I'm on the wrong chart. I'm on the wrong chart.
I was just in Best Buy yesterday.
Okay, still, my thought process is still the same. I think Best Buy, as a retail store, they are still going to die pretty slowly. You're putting in lower highs on the daily as well, even while growth companies are recovering pretty strongly. Well, sorry, Best Buy's not a growth company, but the tech sector, which Best Buy gets most of its money from, should push Best Buy higher, and it's not really helping it. It had a good past few weeks, but until you get back above, I'd say... Is there any pivots up here? No pivots.
I can tell you that.
Okay, 4-hour pivot, that's pretty decent. Like 116, 118, I would like Best Buy. But then you would have to break the lower high structure. This looks like a massive rotation out of brick and mortar. No matter how good Best Buy is, it's a brick and mortar store that sells fucking like TVs and shit, right? Like they sell tech equipment that you can buy online. Amazon is going to slowly phase these companies out.
You guys old enough to remember Circuit City?
Yes.
Circuit
Oh yeah.
City.
Computer City. There was CompUSA also.
What about the
Radio
Wiz?
Is JMA in here?
I wouldn't invest long term in any brick and mortars like Best Buy, to be honest. The only brick and mortars that I'd invest in are like Walmart, Costco, stuff like that.
One thing.
No JMA in here.
No, he's not here.
One thing that's good about the reason Best Buy still hasn't been phased out is that they, if you guys remember back in the day, they used to have rows and rows and rows of CDs and DVDs and music, and they've slowly added a bunch of other stuff like appliances and home electronics and all that stuff.
Yeah, UAL looks good. Smoochie, you broke that daily pivot. There's no pivots until you get back to like 75.
Right.
You got a big one at 65, actually.
I just recently heard that Fry's went out of business, man. That was like the place I used to get all my stuff when I lived in Cali.
Yeah, all those stores, they might be decent trades like short term, but I would not be investing long term in any of the brick and mortar companies like that. They're all going to get phased out.
Yo, Punk.
Yeah, dude.
Can you tell me what you see on the cheddar flow for John Deere and Cat?
What's the
Opening
ticker?
orders. CAT
Yeah, CATN.
and Deere, DEERE.
Sure, let me screenshot it for you.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
No problem. We're all in this together, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna be a resident cheddar flow resource.
Plug still looks decent. You got to put in a higher high here. Put in a higher low so far, so it looks pretty good.
Smoochie, you putting any money on the game?
I'd say as long as plug holds above 38, you're looking pretty good to go for a gap fill tomorrow.
Smoochie?
No, I'm not.
Caesar wants
Nothing
friends
on,
to gamble with.
Nothing on Deer, but I got some on Cat. Here it comes.
How do you say thank you in Hebrew?
Toda.
Bevakasha.
One more time.
No. Toda.
Toda.
Bevakasha is you're welcome. Yeah, Toda.
Oh,
Toda.
okay.
Toda.
Toda
Do you guys
Rabah?
remember service
problem.
merchandise?
If anybody needs cheddar flow and however you do it, just hit me up.
Yeah, Ben,
You
I
know,
left some up.
I already paid for the subscription. No, sir. No, tabii lives on it.
What is that, like Son of a Thousand Whores or something?
Yeah.
So was
I
service
can't.
merchandise, was that a countrywide store?
I've never heard of it.
You're a little too young for that one.
Probably.
Which one?
Yeah,
Service
dude.
merchandise.
I think it went under a couple years before Deja was born.
Circuit City, I bought stuff. I bought TVs there.
You bought you didn't like actually get your item off of a shelf. You would like take like the ticker or something for it up to the front, and then you would have to go wait in the front after you paid, and it would come down off a conveyor belt from the warehouse.
Yep.
That sounds efficient.
Yeah, well, I mean, the way he's describing it, it sounds like completely dystopian.
I think I know why they went out of business.
That store was around for a long fucking time.
Long time.
I think stores like Micro Center, those stores will last, but not stores like Best Buy. Honestly, might be an exception.
Micro Center kicks ass when you got their card. Like no matter what you buy, if you on the card, it's 5% off.
Their computer parts are usually pretty. They'll match anybody, so they beat everybody's price.
Micro Center ain't going anywhere because it's so like tech and nerd heavy. Like it's almost got like a cult following.
Well, it's like a Walmart for tech stuff. There's the bell.
What a great day, folks.
Yeah, really good day.
I made $14,000
Love
today.
to hear it. And
Fuck yeah,
you've only been here for 2 weeks.
Thank you very much, folks. Couldn't have done it without you. And without the optimistic approach, I'm gonna stuff my face into a pizza, and I'll see you good folks for the next fight tomorrow at Market Open.
Sounds good. We'll
So
see
you
you.
all have a
Thank you,
good
bro.
night. And tomorrow I might fucking fuck off early if I have a good trade, because Justice League, don't forget.
There you go. You got to watch it all fucking day.
Yeah, exactly. So thanks again. You guys have a good night. Keep it green.
Have a
Later,
good one.
dudes.
Green or red on the day, guys. I was red in the morning. I'm green now.
Yeah, that was a nice turnaround.
Yeah, really.
One candle.
Yes, sir.
Now
yes,
we're making
sir.
bull flags.
Damn, if I didn't.
Good.
I was gonna say, Clueless. Just wait till ENF explodes.
It's going to too.
I am going to be home for the rest of the day, so I will have analysis posted pretty standard time, probably around 8, 9 o'clock. And then I'll be back tomorrow morning, 9:30 in the morning for the morning sesh. If you guys are on stream, if you guys are on YouTube, make sure to hit that like button if you guys like the video. I will be streaming again tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, same time as always. That's all I got. Hopefully you guys made some money today.
Hey, Clueless, we were even up on AMAZ today.
You guys have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.